Viewers, Karnataka police has arrested a social media account user. His name is Bhiku Mahatre. That is the name of the account. And the owner of that account is Vineet Naik. Naik was arrested from Goa by Karnataka cops, and as per the FIR filed against him, he has been accused of sharing an edited clip of Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on reservations, and he's also been accused of posting on Congress's manifesto in which the user allegedly attacked the Muslim community. Now, Jay Sarvanan, the complainant from Srirampura, filed the FIR in this case. Before the arrest, this person, the right-wing influencer who goes by the handle of Mumbai Cha Don, he shared a screenshot of a mail from X's legal team that it received a court order from Magistrate Bangalore City regarding his account. He claimed that he never wrote anything that may be called as inflammatory or communal. Mumbai Cha Don, as his account goes, also alleged that the Congress was trying to intimidate him for speaking the truth. The arrest of this right-wing social media influencer has opened floodgates for another political showdown in the state of Karnataka between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress. The BJP has claimed that the crackdown on this influencer is a crackdown on free speech in the state. Union Minister Smriti Irani has even promised legal help to the social media user, while others in the BJP have claimed that this shows the Congress party's emergency period mindset when free speech was not allowed and those who criticized the government were put behind bars.
कांग्रेस के अंदर आज भी वो इमरजेंसी का डीएनए और जीन्स है। 75 में इमरजेंसी लगाई, पर कांग्रेस पार्टी इमरजेंसी मानसिकता से बाहर नहीं आ पाई है। कोई भी टीका टिप्पणी कर ले, कोई भी क्रिटिसिज्म कर ले तो उसको तुरंत गिरफ्तार कर देते हैं। अभी विनीत नायक, जिनका हैंडल मुंबई चा डॉन बड़ा फेमस है, उनको गिरफ्तार कर दिया गलत सलत आरोप लगाकर। और ये कांग्रेस का चरित्र है, कांग्रेस का इतिहास यही है। ये बातें पूरी दुनिया में करते फ्री स्पीच की, बातें पूरी दुनिया में करते डेमोक्रेसी बचाने की, संविधान बचाने की, और इन्फ्लुएंसर्स और अगर कोई सोशल मीडिया पर कोई पोस्ट करता है तो तुरंत गिरफ्तार करते हैं।
Neha is joining us on the phone line. Neha, the arrest of Vineet Naik, whose social media handle Mumbai Cha Don is very popular in certain circles. Now, his arrest has triggered a larger debate. The Bharatiya Janata Party is accusing the Congress in Karnataka of pushing the emergency mindset. Take us through the facts of the case.
Well, that's right. In fact, after this arrest that's taken place here, we're seeing that the BJP now, especially in the state of Karnataka, is raking up this issue, questioning, of course, the instructions of the Congress government in the state. Let's, of course, go back to primarily what's happened here. This ex-handle, Mumbai Cha Don, Professor Vivek there, of course, we're seeing, had put out a tweet, in fact, a social media post about the Congress manifesto. And, of course, this isn't something that's gone down well here with the state government, following which we've seen his arrest, while the BJP, of course, trying to rake up this issue, saying that the Congress party is trying to suppress those who speak out against them. The Congress party, of course, on its part, hasn't really so far come forward and really clarified.
Stay with us, Neha, because we have BJP's Neel Mangla Suresh also joining us. You're seeing the developments. Leaders of the BJP are assuring legal help to Vineet Naik, whose handle is Mumbai Cha Don, and the name also goes as Bhiku Mahatre on social media. Your party has accused the Congress of pushing the emergency mindset and clamping down on free speech. What do you know about this? Because nobody from the Congress is speaking on this very case right now.
Yeah, so if you actually see who is the complainant, he is a Congress Karyakarta who is from the Bangalore Central Lok Sabha constituency. So if you see the complaint, it is filed by a Congress Karyakarta. Secondly, there are no grounds, there are no proper, CRPC laws that are mentioned on what reasons they are basically detaining, this person. So what really is happening is, prima facie, it is a clear case of intimidation, right? Anybody who speaks the truth, who exposes Congress's hypocrisy and narrow-minded mindset towards one community, whoever exposes that, he or she is going to be targeted. And in Karnataka, this is not the first case. There was also another lady, a BJP Karyakarta from Tumkur district, right? with regards to a camera being kept in a women's toilet by a certain girls of a particular community. She had asked a question, to Home Minister and Chief Minister if it was, just for that reason, they went, picked her up at 7 in the morning and didn't let anybody know about her whereabouts till the evening.
All right.
And intimidate her. So this is not the first case. So time and again, Karnataka police, by doing these things, they are losing their credibility because these things will not, stand the test of law in court, and there's nothing wrong these people have done.
Okay.
So police are, losing their credibility, and the entire department is.
So the
getting
BJP today,
maligned,
yes, thank you Neelmangala Suresh for joining us. The BJP today is accusing the Karnataka police of acting as per whim. They're losing credibility. This is what the BJP is saying today. And that's the latest that we've got to you. A social media influencer has been arrested. He was picked up from Goa. His name is Vineet Naik. His handle on social media is Mumbai Chadon. The BJP has assured legal support. The grounds of the arrest as per the BJP is absolutely frivolous. Let's now move on and get you the other big story that we are tracking today. Now, on the eve of the 5th phase of elections, former Bihar Deputy Chief Minister and RJD's Tejasvi Yadav has predicted that the INDIA bloc will get more than 300 seats. Speaking to his ally and chief of Vikashsheel Insan Party, Mukesh Sahni, during a chopper ride to a campaign rally, Tejasvi Yadav also predicted that the Bharatiya Janata Party will be wiped out in the states of Bihar and in Uttar Pradesh. So it's BJP's 400 par ka nara versus INDIA or Tejasvi Yadav's 300 par prediction for themselves. Now listen into what Tejasvi Yadav said. So 300 par, that is Tejasvi Yadav's prediction for the INDIA bloc. This also comes after you heard leader after leader of the INDIA bloc come up with a number for the BJP and a number for themselves. Mamata Banerjee recently said it will be 315. Rahul Priyanka recently said that BJP won't get more than 150. Priyanka said BJP won't get more than 180. Kharge also put the number at 200. Now, top leaders of the BJP in Bihar are mocking Tejasvi Yadav's 300 par assertion. They're reminding the RJD of their Lok Sabha performance of 2019, where RJD, which contested on 19 out of 40 seats in Bihar as a part of the UPA alliance, couldn't even bag a single seat. Here's how BJP leaders in Bihar are mocking Tejasvi Yadav.
वो क्या कर रहे हैं इस पे मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना है, उनसे जरूर पूछ लीजिए कि आप शून्य से बाहर निकल रहे हैं क्या।
देखिए, पूरी तरह इस देश के लोग पूरी तरह नरेंद्र मोदी जी के साथ है और बिहार की जनता भी अपना पूरा योगदान देना चाहती है इस देश में मजबूत सरकार के लिए। और नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में बिहार में भी इस बार 40 की 40 सीट जीतेंगे। और जो अभी तक फीडबैक है हमें 19 सीटों में सभी सीट हम जीत रहे हैं आराम से। पिछले बार भी राजद का खाता नहीं खुला था, इस बार भी नहीं खुलेगा। और अगला जो अभी 5 सीट का भी चुनाव परसों होने वाला है, ये भी एकदम क्लीन स्वीप कर रहा है।
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।